Just a few points to share about CO2 cartridges. A newly installed cartridge is only pierced with the first pull of the trigger. This means that the unit can be stored and ready for use without any worry of the CO2 source bleeding off. A new cartridge is meant to fire a minimum of 5 rounds, but can fire in upwards of 15 rounds. If you pierce the CO2 cartridge, but don't launch all 5 rounds, we recommend you replace the cartridge within about a 24-hour time period to avoid excessive CO2 escape and possible device malfunction. Just remember, the CO2 operating temperature is between 20 and 125 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll notice the CO2 cartridge acts like dry ice. Repeated and consecutive use of CO2 cartridges can result in freezing of the life light. If this happens, simply let the life light get back to room temperature and then you're free to use it again. Since the CO2 cartridge is now fully expended, let's learn how to remove it and replace it with a brand new one. First, go ahead and unscrew the puncture ram. If it's difficult to unscrew, there's likely excess CO2 built up in the life light. I'm going to go ahead and depress it a couple more times. Simply dry fire the unit without the projectiles until the CO2 is completely bled off. Once you unscrew the piston, you may notice hissing and CO2 gas escaping. No worries, that's completely normal. Next, point the launcher down at the ground. Take the life light off safe and simply depress the trigger and the spent cartridge will slide right out. Return the device to safety lock mode.